Journey through Kidgiland, where kids code the future. Welcome to Kidgiland.org, the most magical place where kids don't just learn to code, they embark on quests, cast logic spells, and build worlds of wonder and imagination. Most learning platforms are boring and rigid, built for adults and not the dreamers of tomorrow. That's why we reimagine learning as an adventure, where every lesson is a story, every bug a mystery, and every child a creator. On Kidgiland, children explore enchanted maps filled with interactive quests on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, and even AI. Each lesson unfolds like an animated story, with games, puzzles, and scrolls from our wizard mentors. There are leaderboards, surprise scrolls, floating AI guides, and coming soon portals from our wizard team. Kidgiland is built with love using React, Tailwind CSS, TypeScript. It's fast, fun, and fully responsive, built with Bolt.new and designed in a magical creative style that scales across all devices. We're just getting started. Next up, magical AI tournaments, creator portals, and a kid-safe metaverse for imagination to run wild. Join us, enter the land, learn the magic, build the future. Visit Kidgiland.org, where young minds become magical creators.